You will get to know the 8 steps by which you could get rich by your 60s. If you follow all the 8 steps properly, you will get rich by your 60s. So watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Begin your investment journey as soon as possible. To build substantial wealth, allow compound interest to work in your favor. Begin allocating funds to your retirement account as soon as you start earning income. Starting early allows your investments to benefit from compounding over time. It is often said that the optimal moment to begin investing was yesterday. However, the next best opportunity is today, irrespective of your age. Let's examine a scenario to understand the impact on your earnings. Julie completes her college education and secures a position with an annual salary of $40,000. She establishes a retirement account via her employer and begins contributing 12% of her salary to it. With an anticipated annual salary increase of 5% and a projected market return of 7%, she is on track to accumulate approximately $1,657,308 by the time she reaches age 60. Her friend Jill believes that focusing on retirement planning immediately after college is unnecessary. At age 30, she begins contributing 12% of her $40,000 salary to her 401k. Assuming all other factors remain constant, she will accumulate a total of $819,307 by the time she reaches age 60. That figure is significantly lower than the amount her friend Julie has accumulated for retirement, given that Julie began her savings journey 8 years prior. Number 2. Adhere to a financial plan. Don't let the concept of a budget intimidate you. It should instill a sense of empowerment instead. A budget serves as a strategic spending plan, enabling you to allocate your financial resources effectively. By implementing a budget, you can gain control over your financial flow rather than passively observing the movement of funds in and out of your bank account. Numerous budgeting methods exist, including zero-sum, 50, 30, 20 budgeting method, and the envelope system, among others. Explore several options to determine which one aligns most effectively with your unique circumstances. It's essential to monitor your expenditures and earnings closely to maintain a clear understanding of your cash flow. Starting a budget early can significantly enhance your sense of control over your finances. It's essential to ensure that both you and your partner are aligned in your financial decisions. A budget should be viewed as a tool for empowerment, not a limitation. On the contrary, it should provide a sense of liberation, allowing you to direct your finances confidently without the anxiety of tracking every expenditure. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more tips to become a millionaire by your 60s. Number 3. Maintain a lifestyle that aligns with your financial capabilities. As previously said, accumulating wealth hinges more on your ability to retain resources than on the income you generate. Regardless of earning $1 million annually, if expenditures match that income, you will ultimately find yourself with nothing to show for it. It's essential to adopt a lifestyle that aligns with your financial capacity from an early age, while also prioritizing the allocation of a significant portion of your earnings towards savings. Your financial strategy may encompass your retirement account, an investment account, and an emergency fund. Increasing your savings will accelerate your journey to achieving that $1 million goal. It's wise to set aside funds for significant expenses to steer clear of accumulating debt. Each debt payment represents funds that have already been allocated from your earnings. Practicing financial discipline is essential for accumulating wealth and enhancing your overall net worth. Number 4. Establish an emergency fund. While maintaining a budget is essential, unforeseen emergencies can still arise, potentially disrupting your financial stability and causing challenges. It is essential to establish an emergency fund to address unforeseen expenses that may arise outside of your planned budget. Begin by setting aside an amount equivalent to 1 month's expenses and gradually work towards accumulating 3 to 6 months worth of savings. This approach will assist you in addressing significant financial challenges, ranging from a leak in your water heater to a car disaster for which you are responsible. It's important to reserve those funds strictly for unforeseen circumstances. A last-minute vacation with your best friend should not be classified as an emergency situation. Number 5. Consider making contributions to a retirement account. Investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account like a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA, is an effective strategy to enhance your net worth. What is the reason for this? Investing allows your funds to appreciate without immediate tax implications until you access them during retirement. It's essential to contribute at least enough to your employer-sponsored plan to take full advantage of any matching contributions they offer. For instance, when your employer provides a dollar-for-dollar match on the initial 6% of your salary, it effectively results in a total contribution of 12% to your retirement account. It's essential to seize opportunities that provide financial benefits without any cost. Your investment will appreciate over time, benefiting from compound interest on the gains you have already accumulated. Additionally, numerous individuals find themselves in a reduced tax bracket during retirement, which may result in lower overall tax liabilities on their income. Number 6. Make the most of unexpected financial gains. Regardless of whether you receive a substantial year-end bonus or an inheritance from a relative, consider every additional dollar that comes your way as a valuable opportunity to enhance your financial growth. Although it might be enticing to spend the unexpected funds, it's advisable to refrain from doing so. Before we proceed, it's important to acknowledge that enjoying oneself is perfectly acceptable. Consider allocating 10 to 20% of your financial windfall for discretionary spending, allowing yourself the freedom to enjoy it as you see fit. This approach allows you to experience enjoyment while managing your expenses effectively over time. Allocate the remaining funds towards enhancing your financial well-being. Consider allocating additional funds to your retirement accounts, exploring investment opportunities through an individual investment account, or focusing on reducing your debt obligations. There are several strategies to help you manage a windfall effectively, ensuring that it is utilized wisely and that you retain a clear understanding of its allocation. Consider allocating a portion of your funds towards an income-generating asset, like a rental property. Number 7. Enhance your understanding of financial concepts. To achieve millionaire status by your 60s, it is essential to prioritize your education in investing and personal finance. Enhancing your knowledge will significantly improve your ability to effectively manage your finances and adhere to a strategic plan. Begin with a solid understanding of budgeting fundamentals and wealth accumulation strategies, and implement your knowledge progressively as you advance. The library offers an excellent selection of resources on personal finance and investing, providing a solid foundation for your financial journey. While the internet offers a wealth of information, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and verify the credibility of sources before accepting any online content as fact. When conducting your research, prioritize visiting reputable websites like bankrate.com, nerdwallet.com, or investopedia.com to guarantee that you obtain reliable information. Number 8. Take control of your debt. Minimizing your debt will accelerate your journey to achieving that 7-figure milestone. Address your debt promptly by prioritizing payments on balances with the highest interest rates first, then moving to the lower ones. While some debt, like a mortgage, may be unavoidable, it's wise to limit the amount you incur. Identify a property that aligns with your financial capacity and overall resources. Consider making additional payments toward the principal on a monthly basis. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the things you waste your money on, but the rich avoid. If you could avoid all these, you will get rich too. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more about personal finance.